Hi, welcome back to my channel everybody. Jaffa Cooks is today going to make a dairy-free mango milkshake. No ice cream, just fruit and milk, but almond milk. Okay, so if you've never seen my channel before, try this recipe and I'm sure you'll give me a great thumbs up. If you want more information about this recipe and other recipes, click on the bell icon on the bottom and look at the description for more details. So today I've got some almond milk and I've got some frozen mangoes. Now, we tend to freeze some of the fruit during peak season, so when you get heightened seasons of fruit when they are really at their peak and sweet, we tend to freeze a few for a rainy day. So today was a rainy day and we thought we'd make a mango milkshake. And today we're going to make a dairy-free mango milkshake. So again, frozen fruit, no ice cream needed at all. The fruit itself is very sweet, and I've tried it, so if you want to sweeten additional sweetener, you can put in some sugar syrup, you can use maple syrup, or even just sugar, but I think the fruit is sweet enough. So I'm just going to pour in around about 250 ml of milk, almond milk. Now again, depending on the fruit, you may need to use more or less, it's entirely up to you. So what we're going to do now is blend. So the milkshake is quite thick, so I'm just going to put a little bit more milk. See you in a few minutes, and we'll show you how to serve it up. Okay, welcome back. I've got a nice cold frosted glass that I put in the freezer just to keep the milkshake cold. Very simple, I'm just going to pour it in. Now you can garnish this as you want, you can put bits of fruit, chunks of fruit in there just so that towards the end you can taste that additional mango flavour. But I think for now, this is as good as it gets. And I keep the end bits for myself. Nice thick straw there, and we're good to go. If you like my recipe, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you again. Have a good day. Bye.